Good afternoon. Yatrase. The game any day every or our pay TV so and if you are our stream console and yatrase. And there be a very special day in Yan say and you bring 7 p.m. in Cairo and as a Ghanaian time 9 p.m. in Cairo. The AFCON 32nd edition grand finale and no air Kosovo Algeria and Senegal. These are two countries now omo group C. Algeria etimi enya 9 points and Senegal and so enya 6 points from the group stages. Now the first game at two countries Asia in the 2019 AFCON no muno Branton did Yusuf Bilali one and a 49-minute goal for share Edema Algeria separated the two teams from the winner and the loser Emanino Omasanya Kwabishimu our the grand finale. What will comment with suggestions, opinions, and predictions, what they about on Pace TV, the game, and a prayer society, yet a prayer war. Now, you have a feeling about between Como was and somehow, now and some Edika, our Ghana, a football, Nititu, Emu, Nian say, you call Afcon with a Black Stars, with the hope, say, you call Naya Kwaji Trophy, Abaniti, the sectorial minister. Honorable Kwame Isaac Esiama, my slogan is year of return. Niyan say year corner after 37 years, Yakofa trophy at the aba. And when some bibri na Yakoba and bibri and issues of budget. Send ye decor unknown. Any supporters, any media personalities are more aka. We understand the Binumkra return date as far as 4th August. And I've been returned it, at the about from running, if you know my Shasia, or more so back to Ghana. But Dodwana Guswano, our Honmo, White Oak, and I had a travel agency. Advice to the ministry said, economically wise, and I said, sensible, that you be keeping the supporters and the media, our Egypt said, will be a return date, a person, as a sign edika and a day abba. The NC cancel educate roadmap within the week about beto ya probably subibri at the amount or more IOMA arrangement up to the 29th of September and no your transition period. Ya bebo NC Super Cup and no ya Ashanti Gold Asante Koroko na yade omodia rape womo educate a lot of changes and abem and the football people asha say opposi say congress through womo enye entum ye bedi hu komo bebre na say dem di kan ka che no honorable Shamo Kubaji ewo hanuma nei ye no one on one edi enkomo ewo the game ewo Pace TV so yes to me live on Facebook inti wankasa join yen na yen get interactive. Join the conversation. Now we'll comment, for Nina Egu on WhatsApp. Now, so do the bar 050-466-9653. 050-466-9653. Extreme consult. And I asked Nasia, Yadi Jumedia Sunqui at the April. Mami Emma, Honorable Shamukubaji Akwaba. Na yin try on Rayaba. Yadi Jumedia Nunsono, Achaso at the amount. Honorable, good afternoon. Akwaba so. What's your blast ask, Kaka?
Yeah,
Who know what say?
But you mean who you know, the number again, and one above. Was the blast house was dead on arrival.
Blast house was dead on arrival.
Yes. And in fact, whatever that I predicted, came to pass. The blast house, I'm the coach in the cry at the end of the qualify from the group stage. Like I said, the team was dead on arrival. But then, who knows? Namiada Roma is qualified from the group stage. And it's a credit to the coach.
Wow. All right. Blasters was dead on arrival. And Honorable Shamukubaji, I don't know. Ma yana wamra yaba. Nafi yakete the game ruling on Pace TV. Me didn't call Richard 0504669653. The game ɛna ahyɛ ase. Alright, welcome back live over the game on Face TV. Yatinase on a Friday afternoon. We are proud to the AFCON final at 7 p.m. on radio. Space 87.7 and you the live commentary no uninterrupted. Now one we said the normal to be Ecoso. But on Face TV, the International Champions Air Cup and no Ebecoso start times Adaro my pace. Yes, we will stream it live. Matches out of Ebecoso Real Madrid, Arsenal, Bayern Munich. They nyina no benya bi ahwe on Face TV esunti nyadaje na onso ekan ye ho onabo ye nwura mu with the AFCON and sana yaba NC ensensem no eso what's in the team no dead on arrival. Materials and a man here dead, technical and a man here dead, and I say the administration
management and administration management and administration in the sense it was like Asamoah a divided team no when Mra or betray the coach by going public say coach and then I discuss he say all your changes were captainship now Asamoah our constituency or the Black Stars because our also players are very loyal and sympathetic to him. They are you. Also, the group now near Moko Egypt now. Also, most of them were national team. Also, the parties. And Sana, the coach, Kosia Piano, also one the loyal players, also team. So that betrayal from Asamoah Gyan, a killing team spirit, and team no spirit and also like I said was dead on arrival at Egypt. My president Fred Asamoah Gyan said or Panacho said it was an interference at the highest
the presidency.
Yes. Football no the FIFA law states said there should not be any interference from the politicians or anybody. So, if a coach has taken a decision, it is the football management that decides on the coach.
The interference, and say, a father of the land.
The law is clear. The law is very clear. The law is very clear.
The first time it happened.
The law is very clear.
But the first time it happened.
I'm saying the law is very clear. Sebi yasi ya mini panam. Not by accident, ukabo ba. No be to test it doesn't mean that you kuma prana. The law is clear that nobody should interfere. In fact, apart from the football body,
no interference.
It was
matter resolution.
It was interference to its latter.
The presidency.
Yes, it was an interference. And no one said team no. Because the president made Asamoah Gyan to believe that Asamoah Gyan is powerful than the coach. And the Asamoah Gyan is also dear to the president than the coach. It's clear. I'm not being political, I'm not sounding political. That is a fact.
The football no cut across all this into the young girl.
Yes. So, what the president did, no.
The president in
No. It was unnecessary.
But then I go beyond their management.
It was go beyond management. The coach took a decision. So now Blaster didn't qualify. So should we blame the president because the bus stops at his doorsteps?
The
president is the chief executive of the country, including football, basketball, netball, table tennis, and if things in football doesn't go well, should we blame the president because we are saying that?
So what deserve here?
No, There are people who manage football in the country. Is that not correct? These people have not told the president that they can't handle the issue. Is that not correct?
Okay.
So what was the locus and the capacity of the president in this wise by the coach stripping the captainship? What was the business for the president? What has this captainship got to do
The
with the
business
president?
the player no SSN arguing and he was part of the team.
And what did he do? At the end of the day, Asamoah Gyan didn't play more than 80 minutes. Is that not correct? So what was his input? In fact, the coach was telling Asamoah Gyan that he is not necessary in the team.
He didn't go answer the Asamoah Gyan.
No, more or less the coach was making things, was being diplomatic with the fact that Asamoah Gyan was a necessary evil.
Wow.
Yes. Yes.
Wow.
Yes. So the president intervention made Asamoah Gyan to believe that after all there is a power that goes beyond the coach.
Okay.
So in fact the coach also
but that
was
selection also you here.
On a selection.
Yeah, the coach.
And your coach in a selection. Asamoah president in a selection.
11 players now.
President in a selection.
How?
Because the president made all Ghanaians to believe that Ghana cannot move without Asamoah Gyan by his intervention. And the
during the game, Asamoah Gyan was not even part of the first 11.
He was part of the
yes,
team. Let me tell you, most of the players who were playing that match that day were playing for Asamoah Gyan, although Asamoah Gyan was on the bench. Because they are loyal to Asamoah Gyan more than the national team.
All right. Noah Kwabenechi, Adjoining, Samson and Clement Barnes, Prince, Lawyer Davis, chairman, so Adjoining, Safo, Osenkafuado, and so Adjoining, Otin Jones, now Kwesi Fred, Evangelist Owusu Stephen, Koshan Keda, a Somalian journalist, and also Adjoining, Godfred Aputa, manager Dimpa, Frank Media, very good afternoon to you, and Akwesi Buahin, Yabua, Alhassan Abu Costa, Father Bedu, Richmond Chreme Ampabe Sunyani Damiwo Kumase and Mr. Samson Adomako Abusukai and also Major Kamiba and so Ajoni Ewahanmo. Mamimfa message we Victor Fusubuama or say hi boss, invite me to your show. Nate Yabama invitation at the appropriate time na also Wabamu Ebi. It also makes my joining the discussion. You can get the conversation interactive with messages on your Facebook page or your Pace TV, the game, and Yatana say Extreme Consult was Sunyane Cathedral, a Chiwanma, Yeti April, Honorable Shamu Kubeji, AMA, wonderful guest this afternoon. The tell a friend to tell a friend, say the game, and Yatana say Friday, IAT April, prior to the AFCON final, and the year. AFCON 2019 failure, Black Stars, and the issue. Honorable,
yes, sir.
What's it? Would you ever blame the president?
I'll blame the president for the worst performance. Not only he will take part of the blame, but I'll give him 60% of the worst performance.
But the president provided the necessary finance.
What was the amount given to the national team?
I know they are mechanical, but we understand.
That was the error.
We are speculating around.
It was an error. We needed to know the budget meant for this tournament. Is that not correct?
That has been the.
We are the taxpayers.
That has been the norm.
As of now, tell me, you as a seasoned journalist, what was the budget for the national team?
Maybe figure I mean what they are around $14-15 million.
Oh my brother, we are talking about figures. 14, 15, you are speculating.
$8 million on the team, $6 million on the supporters.
14. So it's 14.
Yes.
So you start. Should I take your words that Ghana we went with $14 million?
Maybe figures I don't know.
Fine. Let me ask you this. Now, I want authentic fact. What was the budget? You don't know, and I don't know. We needed to know, and most Ghanaians, including me, was also praying that Ghana do not perform so that we criticize. How can we send 14 million to go in for 4 million Ghana cedis?
This is a Ghana for
we spent 14 million Ghana cedis.
I
I was praying that we do not perform because people wanted to cheat us.
How?
The Americans say, $85,000 on arrival as an appearance fee for one person. My teacher Ando, who has taught teacher or
Tommy.
Tommy.
Yeah, Tommy, of course, and
Teacher Tommy. Actually, they are 60 years. What they more than 40 years. $85,000 in phone account to Muda ever since what So how? Who is not helping Ghana? After all, the black cap the ultimate, in fact, the benefit was $4.5 million. How should we spend $14 million? What was the benefit? If it was for exposure, then we needed to make flags, so we charter plane and we will be dumping flags in various countries. The do I say Ghana yabo, yeah, party as you were, near Bokulu machine, no more Sasa, no more for Miasa, cultural center for no more Cosadua. We can 40 million could have sent us throughout the whole world. That is how it is. And we went there to spend money for nothing. At the end of the day, what do we gain? Ghana is known to be a soccer country. Is that not correct?
Yes.
It is a Ghana Cup tournament. Not the last 16 won't come one. It's like say abaya fefe ojina ya yes him onyim. You worry onyim. So what? O worry no onyim aye news. No more abaya akwa wa 7. It makes news. It makes news. How come say America of all people, ebo baller, bonus and travel more than $5,000? Of course. Not Ghana, free America, you pay $15,000. Does it make sense? Does it make sense? Brazil depends on football.
Yeah. They export to get
Serbia depends on football and they export. They groom coaches. Yeah. Is that not correct?
Yeah.
Ghana, we are known for gold.
Yeah, cocoa.
And cocoa.
Yeah.
So we should have sent cocoa to the place, to Egypt. We should have sent gold to the Egypt. We should have advertised that, oh, Ghana, Galamsey no more. So whoever that is interested in mining should come with machines. To advertise Ghana. Ghana is known for cocoa and gold. We are not known for football any longer. Because there is a country who started from behind Egypt. Now they have, 1-7. So now when we are rating football in Ghana, Ghana comes nowhere close to the first four. Is that not correct?
On the continent of Africa.
Yes. Is that not correct?
First body,
so what is the benefit?
You put in more money there.
At the end of the day, what do we earn?
And less than $500,000.
So, can say? So, Papa, a Tom Mount. Now, could you go to Musa or Pagina? 7 young was because one year to be up on a woman, but be again in the Mobian. The more Papa Tom Mount, now could you go fish for one. At the end of the day, the fish are confined. So they remains yours. So $14 million in our year budget here to call Egypt. When are we going to get it back? Tell me.
Minister of Parliament.
We need not to go there at all. People should start investigating the activities of the minister. In fact, it's not only the minister. Normalization Committee Chairman, Dr. He's the worst person I've met. In fact,
being the worst person, still very, very interesting. Live, they give Face TV, so you know about Kechin and Accra, on also joining Richard, or say Inshra, Belgium, Antwerp. And Richard, former student of UNEL, and also adjoining Kwesipua in Yabua, adjoining Noakin, and so a Radio Mercury in Kumasi, once most upon, and so adjoining Abdullah, so adjoining, and Nene Tete, watching you live from Akim, Germany, and also Etinity Abba, Nana Yao, Quanchipong, the second, and so adjoining, and Derek, Nana Wati, and also adjoining. Richmond, Chairman and Pabi Beam, and a father innocent, and also who are joining you. Bet me, I join here with air of predictions, no, and then you matches are air pass for Afcon fan at the second edition, no, my annual predictions. Issues on board. I had a fallout from the Afcon 2019, the Black Stars. China will be who, Mama. What do we do now? A no, ye name budgeter, ye de echo, we understand, sir, the minority appreciate one way through. In the Parliament House, Yamia do my branded anyway. The secretarial minister and the Honorable Isaac Kwame Siama, Ebekom Rashabium, na wako agofisi the house unnecessary questions I was say more eputu before him no so Emma Ghana for answers yenti won so de the NC adwuma omo eye enei omo say enka na ye wo delegates of 124 and per the new draft 49 pages draft and I'm working on it. I'm the FIFA on the 29th April. FIFA accepted per Congress approval. That is the football people. Almost by judgment now we need to a new logo. GFA logo no yasesano. Yeah, the new one back. Kente and the them. And the new name and so on more. Na mekai mahafua. Bra ensi ni take over more appointed committees I hold one. Omo edible to just say edi GF no Ghana form party nti say woni kodwa so a neton no ed nti that o message just say going forward under the normalization no yent said no new day bia any association of Ghana football AGF with a new logo say yenya executive committee view yenya board members 11 board members yenya GFA president view yenya GFA chairman ana CEO nipa bebre akasa eno eho alabo ndi minister commerce shebega fi yemfa no enwani emra ensi no ensem so father bedu say say I love honorable serious no major kwamba ono so eso wacha honorable
the only say it's a norm and that has been the practice all this while inviting the minister of sports to parliament, is normal. If it's a free anchor Kobe, Ayarga Kobe, Neil Amtevanda Port, Kobe, and because you, Bravoa, no. You're more politicians, politicians, your body, and know what your bunch. I know what your bunch, know what your body, you're moving a son of ye. A normal thing. Yes, to brush out things. So, we have squeezed the minister and that. Minister Ben out say, ya catch and say, I deal with one if it's a free anchor, economy could be. One Kosuan Pacho.
Malam is Sankwana,
one Kosuan Pacho. Malom is a sick Canadian. Yes, see a kitan or the corner into a year. Now, I budget 14.4 million now, they are pop. No one for your ma, any right.
That be so. Or tell the Omodi Kwayo.
Malam is Adam.
There be a Egypt today.
I almost chair stages.
Yeah.
I could do final. 14.4. Now, can you? Besin Neno, the minister did not tell us that he was going with 14.4. Yeah. Sebi. And don't take Brofo Bruni ba unkunana. Sa won't take Brofo. Na se Bruni ba. Se Brunini. Papa in a minister. Ghana nyina yesika na ewo no yenima no. Ghana nyina yesika yesa.
Anyway.
Na do sa bobi mu de atu kwan yenim. Obae a o se wo bebu akonta. A kire hwan. Richard Asibu emire mo esen ka badisa. Eni se ka se echi bigumbu binum. Nti na me ba General Day of la Côte d'Ivoire. Tama Côte d'Ivoire ko Burkina Faso tournament o manya de. Obae o di take place ni nyina management.
Yeah.
Ebu obi akama.
Yeah.
That is power.
But see ni.
And no na krachi ni dade anu onye krachi ni dade anu amwa. More especially Ghanaian krachi. If it's a free anchor konum kube ba ko mo konum 300,000 Ghana skamu. E wo Brazil. Brazil ni e konum no ra. E konum last month. E konum 2018. E konum 2017. 5 years ni e kosi sen. Report no mo se sen.
Say no mo di bebre ba me. Mo se ma o man ne mfa. O man si kan fa supporters nko ba we we ya
ko. Ndi na kete sebi die. That report no dey buy.
Yeah, my commission
was treated with content.
High court judge.
Yeah, Musan man ko koto for P kura san bi man ko. Chairman. Na said high court judge aye order is binding on us. Is that not correct?
Yeah.
It remains an order.
Yeah.
Was it abided?
Government white people.
Was it abided? No.
But yeah.
And no now be a day. Who got to say ni pa mi no. They say no. The minister will be can't na no minister and say, "Who do you know? Kosi say." Muntaka kwa wi jinjingai. Ekosi se. Unya bi ni emi wado na menu mienu yentena ha. Na I scratch your back, I scratch your back. It's a nice way that people use to loot money. At the end of the day, you see, you take commission. You take commission and you prosecute ni pa meboa. Now we know anya commission. Yeah. You probe there. What are we probing? Tell me what we are probing. Amobaye na kabia na investigate.
Special prosecutor.
Special prosecutor for Scano 14.4 million dollars. Must have made catch us here. A better massive factory. As if chip compound, out of incubator, out of a fridge, out of laboratory machines. Every district in Ghana.
We did not make a charge confirm me about 2 days ago. What is it? It's just give you all. I never say. Support the man.
GFA time, no, the deeper any view. Or the reporter.
Says he also see us with the deeper. Walk over. I'm spending.
So forget about the captain's wife and think about the sinking ship. Media, Sabi. Richard Minuti, they see how many years in a way. The Sika free tournament, Fanamino, the Kotoban Kudia, an abatement of crime. And when we are arrested, we will be prosecuted together. So, what I'm saying now is that if the normalization committee chairman has misused Ghana's money, and we know that some of them has been absconded, some of them has passed through wrong hands, the law states that whoever that steals Ghana money should be prosecuted. Is that not so?
Okay.
So now where is the money? Now where is the money? Now they are telling us that they are inviting the minister to parliament to account on what? Richard, you can't accountable impressor. Manager, you may table of question. Yama manager of TV station Kakraka managing Yama 1 million, managing 1 month. So at the end of the 30 days, oh, young Kunta, also 1 million. First week, you had to be to death of prepare. Second week, you had to be to your light bill. Third week, you had to be to your watch my car. Fourth week, you had to be to your car. In the car,
yeah.
In this wise, what is the quantum of money that the minister is going to account for? My problem, no. The next say, Sikano or Casa 14.4 no, sanity. All coro, one cry. All bano, Yamuda Mobile. Ubedu ya, Besine, Ghana for you in musical report. Now be Akunta. Akunta now, dear friend Akunta. Akunta is whereby you are accounting for what is with you to the people. Is that also?
Yeah.
So what is with him? Tell me what is with him that is going to account for. Right. So the monkey abu wenum ni nada dada.
Very interesting. Live over the game on Face TV. You see me live on Facebook and happy YouTube. Setting the pace in GH Media. Obetra yen ewo YouTube. Now one of the previous programs in Yano uploaded. Tama also with me. I should be Honorable Shamo Kubeji, yen special guest on this Friday edition. Prior to the AFCON final, we did a Koku, J. Richard, Extreme Consort, and a Yatanasia, Yedi Jumedi Sunquino at the Air War. Said Apia, was it go on, bro? Keep it up, bro. And your Godfred Afosan, on also, what Abba 0504669653. Asari Bediakon, and so I join yen. Asari Bediakon, also, why join yen. Share Nama. Also, my for Inyabi and Richard or say Inshira was spending huge monies on the Black Stars without a corresponding investment in football infrastructure like schools, local league, and women's soccer depicts a high level of ignorance and thirst for corruption. Opokwa Juman Gibson, Miyankasa, senior brother, former head of sports, Radio Mercury, and a business tycoon Miyankasa, Gibu. I mean, and church and every in Kumasi, you say, oh, high street, Bantama, oh, boy, a Juma. Honorable,
yeah,
Jariano Twinchain. Yamra de Encino. Omujuma dear so far, earlier on 6 months. Omunya extension for another 6 months. I been this September.
Yeah,
Yomunya Gma status in home. Day to the administration of football in the country. Omunya won a Juma. But as I tell the football people, no complain. Before NC Cup. Still, clubs need to go. And we some of the bad norms are na nantechi administration wɔ hɔ class bɛbɔ league awie sika ne ma yɛtua nso ɔmo nsa nka no referee complain in the normalization period yes I experience saa norma no ɛnɔɔma ɔmo asesa no yɛte gye yɛfɛdie no yɛsesa no yɛayɛ new logo number ɔmo kɔto aba yɛte so afiri 124 to 94 premier fo benya 32 division 1 fo benya 20 instead of ɔmo 48 a na ekuta ɔmo no coast to 4 deɛ ne nyinaa no asɛ ɔmo yɛ nɔɔma bi a football people no hu sɛ that shouldn't be the right path to move on with Mamifa Obogu Ajima Gibson there no say more of him bro but you show me vow I asked you something but you still not answer that and then or the Abba Obogu Ajima Gibson Darling Gibson Hello
Madika can see I check say politics and football I scratch my back I scratch your back
wow
Ojidia osipaja onkwan kakra wa so akiri ko pepisi fadi sanu na sebi ya kan omaye Fu Jones Association of Ghana Football Association aye and is all kind 1 2 3 akwati 10 now see there be me plan some dey pretend about 9 about 8 about 7 about 6 about 5 about 4 about 3 about 2 about 1 you 1 2 3 now and you 1 2 3 now the distance from Sunyani to Kumasi Kejetia is equal to Kejetia to Sunyani station period. This is childish.
Maybe we get the same cars on Vancouver.
We see the distance, I'm not saying the journey. See the distance. The distance means traveling distance. What do you say? I'm not saying the speed and the hour.
Okay.
Or the time. Okay. I'm saying the distance. Meaning
which you want to
who the sacred every year Kumasi 10 miles 10 miles. Oh ba for jet fighter Concorde 10 miles. No mom say speed there it depends. Say nanti kwa minu mienu ye nanti ya.
Yeah.
Metima nanti ya jao. Anabe nanti ya jao.
Yeah.
I'm saying the distance are the same.
Okay.
Besides that, change of logo. If you change logo no logo no, ako pra this corrupt act, this rot, uncalled for acts, deliberate embezzlement, abuse of power, looting, cheating, logo is Sam.
Enye bibia.
A nice way be obi design logo as an abeji pay.
Oh, say you better rent you be. You better rent the service of a prophet.
Creating. Of what you are creating bibi. Adi agidi. No ase atwadina ba so say yati committee so mo koyo. Na che say normalization committee chairman. Kwasi yan ti kura ye.
Sir.
Sa memi e soje ni an kono dem na me head of state me president. Kama ye order me abono de dada. Because he has performed in fact. Me ka say abysmal.
FIFA ni aji na juma.
We FIFA no ni mi anim no FIFA no. FIFA sika odi ba say mo fa mo tournament no. Omo bo tournament ni wie na Kofi Anwan spending half of it. Is that not correct? Na dia ka no.
Abana yes obi.
Abani when they abani does not interfere in football activities according to the FIFA law.
The NC special competition, you know. Government didn't promise of funding.
And FIFA didn't contribute.
FIFA the end there for day to day administration.
FIFA gave money. FIFA gave money.
What the monthly subventions back.
And you agree with me that there is a rule from FIFA, in fact, soccer governing body that president and the state should not interfere in GFA activities or soccer activities.
But at this normalization level there, I no government and any FIFA or that kind of
rapport.
Yeah.
And I'm saying, say, Dr. Kofi Anwan, one yehu or yehu, na uncle yehu, because he said he's in for an agenda. He's on a mission. Say, the purpose of having the normalization committee is they can say normalizer. Actually, say, Papa, wash a fugu, wash a trouser, who's the wash a slippers? It correspond. No more the South trouser material wash a kambura. And you're normal,
abnormal dressing.
Inti no normalize ni che say ko wro kambu no na che shoe ana say she slippers na wa she no. That is normalized. Now they are open kambu no kura wa she no. Fugu na the bet ball ye mu a normalization. Kasi nyanka che adwuma na ma describe wa che akwa no. Kofiamoa ne description na me dey am. Makano Fox FM. I am studio for Koyen Katambo.
Okay. Very interesting. Tactical Rashefo. That's why I joined here in Africa. Gilbert Amusam. MTN office. Also I joined here. Moru Kabori KB. Also I joined here. So the game enche na ye rapid a Friday edition. We call for Senegal. Another we call for Algeria. Why ena ewene? 1990. These two teams have been meeting 10 times. 7. I think the 12 or so, 12 meetings rather, and the 7 wins for Algeria, 3 wins for Senegal, 2 are a draw, and Algeria has 12 goals as against 7 goals from Senegal. It's why and a walk at the Amano. The changes and the normal goes to Inano. Football people say, Wamunyan in Temno. They say roadmap naba. You understand? Say, fair the Omude by any day. I think 31st July. Or May or more elections in here, the committee. The year 2 abandon Mufiyoko. Football people. Omo board normalization committee.
Who are the football people? Normalization committee, no, does not recognize any person contribution. And they don't expect anybody to contribute. Because omo map. No omo itinerary omo dey omo juma. And they decide as to what to do at every given time. Is that not so?
Yeah.
When was the last time say what is apart from say football people that you are claiming said they are no. And you imagine say tournament be your boycott. Ah mo sign changes. Is there sebi nipa me nsa bi ko wia papa bi dwan a omo che nam na ba ko fa ne sere ba ko fa na basa omo yi ni tigu ba bi a ba ko ka se de obefa sa dwan 90 we no ono na be ma dwan wura na hu no omo ka bo mu no eno bi na akware ye normalization committee chairman sa scenario we na maka no akwara na omo peja ni si dwan bu omo kan ko wia dwan ba ya omo cha nko mu sisi obi no sa bi na NMC na ye enti Doctor no there. He's a nice gentleman. He looks good. He talks good. But not the administration there. They say, and a friend of football administrator no there. And they forget about the death of the captain's wife and take about it.
Dr. Kofi could you answer for KK support?
Yes, that is my mind.
You understand, say, the purpose to be at the Black Stars Management Committee head, you know, I have for a strategy. Say, and in the and Marano Masana to the sense of Kofu you when him the last of Georgia Free was a Kupama, Ketu Kreku, Nanayo on Point Samuna. If he said moving about 5 for the next year presidency, you know. One Miranda Banubeti me a real and we should watch out for Dr. Kiki Safonso standing for GFA president. Oba and Simon, but maybe message you. I agree with Honorable Kubaji. They did not normalize anything. Nantechi was the best person for Ghana football, despite his short fall. Back to Yanami Bissau.
The issue is that whether he qualifies or he doesn't qualify. He qualifies. Academic is good. Sponsorship. KK Sapon. And he sponsors more than 70 Brakotoko when he was the chief executive. Is that not fair?
70 didn't.
Me say more.
Not also. Less than 70.
Edu babina Kotoko Jesi ni yenye babi akoko. Is that not correct?
Very interesting.
Is that not correct? My mind KK Sapon, you don't go there. The only, but then he also has his shortfall. Who is there? KK Sapon or a little bit, you know, that type maybe.
Yeah. I know my right.
That is power.
Okay.
That is power. When anybody attains power, how do you be a more power? And power, no? I know now the bad light more at shop. No, I know catch yourself if you won't do. Indeed, you ready for more. Honor do baby on also was on. But besides that, media, some football people we are mentioning, you know, once upon a time they work for the GFA.
Yeah.
So what is their records? Do they have anything to show? But I've told you much about Dr. Keke Isapo. So at worst, at best, he was able to get Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Sponsorship that they
But
some of them.
free Gamba Osaka partnership with
Georgia Free
Japan.
work with Kosi Nyantechi. Jamaican is a Banchienye Biano. Banchienye Biano. The Fufuenye. Banchi Bianye, the Fufuenye. Abrobia send Bian Bankunye.
Sir.
On the Abura Hunia Diaka Bankunia is open.
Abanchi sends what you go do.
Messini Bafufu, Concontani Bankunya de Cro. Concontani Fufu Nyade Cro.
Okay.
Messi Banchienye Bia Fufuenye.
What advantage cake is on venture? The new status room.
You know that I have a very good relationship with Dr. Kiki Sapo. But media, for now, no, expectation for the Ghana Football Association was very, very high. He being a politician, he being a businessman, no, Kameka say, Sashu now so Jano, Yama Binuko Tietimu, Momona saying water and son of as alternative.
Wow. Live, the game, Pace TV, and the Honorable Shamu Kubaji. I am a special guest. Me didn't call Kubaji Richard. My man and our sister will keep in touch with us. You get the conversation going. You get interactive. 0504669653. On Facebook, you Pace TV. YouTube, your channel one more. Over subscribe to your channel. No. Now also watch your maybe be a who will be anon. Who bring the best of the sporting news. You chance to say. Na yeti April ewan mo Ura Kwaku and also adjoining Justice College was a patron watching you live from East Legon and also netie our day abano. Thanks for watching. Na I share ama fefonsono enya bi share. Would like your page on Facebook. Now subscribe to your channel on YouTube and your Pace TV Kwaku AJ Richard Anamo Shamuku Baji make us ewan mo. No wakin was it good work done live from Spain. Hey, you know that Robert and grown up. No, again. Hey, go Kaboga. Every young coupon. You're in Yamiaze. Go Cabreni. Very interesting. Alamo, they said, Meduvi, ye rapia. Yamna Figakra. Meno de Yakwache. Sports infrastructure, sports facilities for Sunyane. Coronation Park, here the state. Government tobacco. Maybe I have a sister to a map and a half. Your sister, your mother, we say, I've got a backup on one. You need Bibia. Young penny for no dinner on my mind. Young one more.
On the Kwaku Titina, not the money back. Nadia Kwakuna TD.
That's it.
The Minister for Health. Oh, no more stadium.
Sports complex.
Omushima Doma.
Yeah. So on a lobby, you go graduate my menu. You do lobby, no Jim lobby.
For his people.
Yeah.
This is leadership. Kodie bia na se bo bia chi aboa. O dinam no wo ba bia ne mawo. Stadia asem na meka no. Akromati akokoba. Ba bia odinam no e wo ba bia ne mawo ana ba bia oda. Sibo anajata chi nam a Babi otadi nam ne kesiye no e wo babi ane mawo ana babi ane mawo ya no me de afanyinam suja Sunya Connection Park sebi frefre ni na betu abo ofiri so mayo Ignore crop Donald Adabre
yeah
na betu abo ofiri so mayo ebi asensan mayo plastic chairs ya mo de bagui ya se omo ye Connection Park amaye de be Kumasi Stadium bia na ntokwasi ya omututugu ye.
Kumasi reject.
No mo de ye mai.
Yeah.
Firi odi na mai paint. Akaro okro mato bia paint dan na mai. Akaro amato bia paint ya mai.
Hwan asade?
MP asade, minister asade, DC asade. Kwakwaji mamanu. Onye MP.
Norman Central.
Onye minister.
Ghana
MP. And majority chief whip. In case a chief whipper, he assembles all ministers before parliament. Is that not correct? He whips them in. So he is the chief lobber. He lobbies everyone at every given time that he so wish. Is that not correct? Na sebi unu ati amango abere so na ati ase edibu na oye kwase ya.
I want to be lobby.
Let's end it. Me say unu ati amango abere so na wo a wote ase ya te se manager yi menua. Se na me de kwa mi se ne ba ne papa yi. Na se manager ati amango abere so na se ne bayi ana ni nua yi una wo kan se ni nua.
Ah, ni nua.
Ati amango ase amango kura na ase na odibu na. E che se your tisro na your tip from back here pass. Asa. I hope I will not mention any name.
Very interesting.
God bless you.
Live, the game, Face TV, and Extreme Consult. They open on large format printing. The print will be the modernized way. Extreme Consult, top auditorium, and having so Sunyane Cathedral, no, Echihonomo, and no more any and common one wow, and maybe Bianco so, Mfa, Mount. Edu Nicholas adwoni yen na Cornelia upon Boatima and having so Bagrimuni Ubedu Al Hassan Yeboa ano enso e kan bi na Kwaku Bonsu enso e kan bi yeko teacher Thomason of party
asema me kan yanka Algeria ne
na me se bia wo mpe
o Algeria Senegal me was Senegal but agwana no tin te so bebe no alaji do on ma me call Senegal pa.
Oh, okay.
But now I like the way he attracts public attention.
Okay. Why is Suarez no?
Now the way he's a good player. And wama manya akuma ama Senegal team.
Wow.
And Komfo jadi onim no. Komfo jadi onim no. Senegal is part of us. But the ball is not going to be easy.
Okay.
It is my humble prayer I say at the end of the day, no, Senegal will have a slight win, if not on penalty shootout.
Men Kwanza, Bernard Owusu Ajimai was saying Bisau. Was say Honorable Kubegi, why haven't we been hearing of you of late?
The one is
don't can read why
another tactics. Say your team can say ebeduru china obo say listeners na double. Research na me you do a na me for workshop kakra. Onya abotre one of these days you get to know me better.
Ogo shop way. Na announcement we say Mary ne. Jerry ne me so much say.
God willing, obi ahun ye pa.
Very interesting. All right, a senior brother and a very good one, of course. Honorable Shamuku Bejinene. I know eternity the game. And the talk so now your doors will see open for any sponsorship. Mumra now Maso Yasne. We any anchor said you are from the Puno Regional Capital Sunyane and the for Pace TV the game. Yami Adma Monday, Tuesday, the nation's capital, a honor TSM. You call across the country. Now you are TSC beyond the boundaries and so. Near the exclusive stories, at the April. Mom, one can, one train, Yamiaduma, Monday, Tuesday, we are in Accra, I nay and Penifu Kukudam, and a more good deal Muchaka, Yanu Asia. We're picking a live, a Space FM, and I've been so VATV into multi decoder, or strong decoder, so we are rescanning, your pace, a piano, VATV, so Abamau. The recorded air version. I'm a Biatima Conkai. Angel Dimonza, and so Johnny a teacher, Sunyani Senior High School, and I can't see the Ladem Mensa, and so Abel Johnny, Yadi Sianamo, the day the Koku, a J. Richard. Honorable Shamuku Begi, I am a special guest, and our extreme consult. Some for Barema from Pong, and have a junior in charge of IT. BBMC and Romabo Juma and Trisha Nana Trisha on so Baba Kwa Wakaya home and supported in Dende and made it at the pro. Yamiadma, Monday, Tuesday, the game, Face TV, and so Yamin Gown.